Hey, hi everyone. So it's been a long time me appearing on the screen, with everyone like asking me where I've gone and what I'm building. So here I am. No screen share this time, just me talking for some time. Uh, Bear with me. So this is something that I wanted to share about a silver lining that I have found while I was building something which helps manage my day, not control the day. Uh, it is called Nexus, my personal operating system, uh, built on top of Claude AI and then the agent native architecture principles with Telegram as my bot, like acts like an agent, which will help me nudge about the day that I need to get started, what needs to be picked up, what needs to be deferred or delegated. And at the same time, it does the overnight research for me about the issues that you know, about the GitHub issues that are present while I was working on some other things personally, and also the news which are released, and at the same time about the tools that are being released from the product hunt or from TechCrunch or something like that from the news. So instead of me drowning for 3 to 4 hours a day or like give up my weekend to research all this tool, Nexus does all this at once overnight in chunks and then helps me understand what are all the tech news around me. Guys, this is something which I wanted to share with you how I have built and how did it start and what has been done so far and what is going to happen next. So we have tools, obviously like calendar, Notion, Todoist, Sunsama. There are multiple, like lots of bunch of tools which can be utilized, but I never felt they have been built for me. Like they're built as a product, which is good. I'm not saying they're bad. They're really good, but I feel something lacking as I use them like during the day to manage my day or to have everything as a brain dump or something like that. I don't know. I don't feel right as I use them. I mean, they are not me, right? They are not me. They're just tools where I augment my day or tasks or to dos, reminders, and everything. They're not a mirror of mind. So over the years, which I've been using from my engineering, starting with Notion till recently with Sunsama, I have quit everything except Notion because I like the way it is and I have started with that. So I kept Notion aside and removed every other thing and started building Nexus on Telegram with Cloud Code using Cloud APIs hosted on Railway. Because there has to be a server which runs constantly 24 by 7 for every day, which will check my calendar, my content calendars, my Notion, news across the sources, and then puts everything in the Notion as my second brain, where I just go there, read the brief. These are all the things that I need to do, and these are all the things I need to get done. These are all the priorities. So this is something which can be achieved Notion by default, which is true, or with Todoist or anything. But the way I operate during the day is entirely different. So that's the reason I have this Nexus. Because as I start my day, I spend some time with my wife, now with my daughter, and then jump straight into the victory hour where I do 20 minutes of exercise, 20 minutes of learning, and 20 minutes of reading. This is a sacred hour for me and I've been following since past 6 years. This is something that I picked from the 5 AM Club by Robin Sharma, and it's a really great read if you would like to try. And that is where it has started. And I have another set of work which is do for the content writing, etc. And then by 2 p.m. I wrap up everything. I check in with family, and then log into the main work from 2 p.m. to 11 p.m. And then there will be separate tasks that needs to be done over there, which is very particular about the clients, prospects, POCs, etc. So there are three different kinds of structure in a single day that I need to manage, defer, delegate, get things done at the same time, right? So this is overwhelming on a daily basis. But whatever the plan that I keep the before night for the next day will sort out everything. And having Nexus from the past 3 months has changed a lot because it made me understand, truly understand about the work I need to take and then say no to. And then at the same time, break down everything into tasks because it has a context about the projects I do, about the personal projects I do, not the client projects, definitely not, about personal projects I do and personal content writing that I write, whatever the YouTube video that I need to do. It has every like each and every context about what I need to do. The script I prepare, it can read from the Notion and then get back to me the next day saying that this is what you have to do. And it is more of like an assistant to me, kind of like chief of staff. That I mean, like it's kind of like chief of staff for me, which really is making my day easy. Uh, Building it was hard because it's AI, so we have to control it. We have to have some guardrails. We have to have some checks that needs to be put before it reacts to every message that I keep, or before it tries to form the Notion page for me for daily brief, right? So there are some constraints that needs to be put, like grounding that needs to be made, and then make it understand that it is chief of staff for me, not to me, like right. So, but realizing that, uh, I mean, building after it, right? Like building it, I realized that okay, this is something everyone would want to do. So I am thinking of starting this series where I share the principles, insights, architecture that went into it to build it, and hopefully that will be utilized by you. Maybe if it is helpful for you, not just for management, but anything, any other thing, because the architecture behind it was really good, and so many people were using it, and it took quite some time for me to understand and break down and then plan and then achieve this. So hopefully, from next video we will have everything sorted out with the architecture being broken down and the build that have been went into it and how it went live. So that's Nexus for me and will be for you too soon. Stay tuned, guys. Thank you.